And welcome back to Albright Metalworks. This is another episode of Forge Friday where we get to watch Rick do a forge welded fire poker. This is just practice, this isn't his final project, and he's making this for his cabin. So join along with us and enjoy the ride. I feel like I should also mention that Rick is a relatively new smith, so he hasn't been forging very long, and leave him a comment in the comments section and cheer him on. He's been making big strides and doing a great job and really kicking some hind end. So We're going to have him in a lot more videos here and there. He's been doing some coffee scoops that are just gorgeous. And you wouldn't believe that he's a brand new smith by some of the work he's done.
Are you ready?
If you'd like to support the channel, please do hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for all notifications. Also, drop a comment. It helps with the algorithm. And share it with your friends. Also, if you'd like to support the channel monetarily, you can go to www.albrightmetalworks.com and click on the Forge Friday tab, and there's a donation section in there. And as always, thank you for watching, and forge on, my friends.